Welcome back to our channel where creativity and crafting come together. Today we are diving into the art of macrame to bring you an inspiring tutorial on creating stunning macrame wall hanging designs. Perfect for beginners, whether you are a seasoned crafter looking to expand your skills or total newbie eager to dip your toes into the world of macrame, you are in the right place. Join us, we guide you step by step through the process of making a beautiful macrame wall hanging that's sure to impress you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to do myself and hit the bell icon button to new videos. For those of you who are just starting out on your macrame journey, fear not, we have got you covered with all the essential macrame for beginners tips and techniques. This video, macrame designs making a wall hanging, it's about understanding the fundamental of macrame with keywords like macrame tutorial and how to make. We all will ensure you will equipped with the knowledge you need to succeed. Now that you have got the basic down, let's jump into the heart of our project, creating a mesmerizing macrame wall hanging to make your home more beautiful and make it home decoration. We will take you through each knot, each twist, and each turn, breaking down the process in a clear and approachable way. From tying your first knots to shaping intricate patterns, this video will all empowering you to make macrame wall hanging that reflects your unique style. Keep an ear out for words like macrame wall hanging tutorial and how to make a macrame wall hanging as we guide you through each step. Adding your personal touch, crafting is all about infusing your creations with a personal touch, and our macrame wall hanging is no exception. We will explore different design ideas that may make your piece truly one of the kind. Whether you are into the minimalist elegance or intricate bohemic, we have got suggestions that will resonate with your creative spirit. Keywords like macrame wall hanging new design and super easy macrame wall hanging ideas for ideal for beginners will naturally integrate into our discussions as we help you unleash your creativity. As a special treat, we will also be demonstrating how to craft a macrame wall hanging shelf, adding functionality and style to your space.